Well, this is the second of three documents that was filed yesterday in the Andrew Colborn versus Netflix. One I already read. This is two. The other one is just another attorney jumping on Netflix and Laura Dima. And yeah. But, pursuant to plaintiff and procedure defendants' joint and unopposed motion, the court sets the following revised schedule and procedures. All fact discovery must be completed no later than April 8th, 2022, except that depositions may be conducted up to and including May 20th, 2022, and a deposition of plaintiff Andrew Colborn may be conducted up to and including July 29th, 2022. Discovery requests must be served sufficiently in advance of the April 8th, 2022 deadline that timely responses are due before the deadline expires. In accordance with federal and civil, primary expert witnesses' disclosures are due on or before September 2nd, 2022. Rebuttal expert witnesses' disclosures are due on or before September 30th, 2022. These documents are to be exchanged between the parties but not filed with the court. All expert discovery must be completed no later than November 29th, 2022. Expedited non-dispositive motions must comply with Civil LR 7H. Counsel seeking non-dispositive procedural relief shall consult with the opposing party and include the motion a statement indicating whether or not the motion is opposed. Summary and judgment motions. Motions for summary judgment must comply with federal and civil statutes and shall be served and filed on or before September 16th, 2022. Final pretrial and trial. A final pretrial and trial will be scheduled after all deposited motions have been resolved or in event such motions are not filed after the deadline has passed. Additional procedures. All requests of the court must be made formal motion in accordance with civil and federal rules of procedural procedure. Counsel are not to confer or are to confer and make a good faith effort to settle this case and explore various methods of alternate dispute resolution. The court will refer the case to one of the magistrate judges for mediation at no cost to the parties when a request is made at least 90 days prior to the final pretrial conference. Settlement discussions must be completed prior to the final pretrial conference. In case where settlement occurs after the final pretrial conference, the court may impose jury-related costs, including notification, travel, and attendance fees upon reasonable attorneys. The foregoing schedule should not be modified except upon a showing of good cause and by the leave of the court. The pendency of the motions or settlement discussions shall not justify modification of the schedule nor delay the taking of discovery. So ordered, March 29th, 2022, by Brett H. Ludwig. So, we won't hear anything until September, but who knows? I doubt Netflix is going to settle out of court. So, yeah, I don't know. So, I guess April 8th is when we're going to, I don't know when we're going to hear something, to be honest, but I'm sure we'll get a court filing in the next few days, next few weeks. I mean, April 8th is just, Monday's the 1st, so next Tuesday. So, I don't know. Just a little update. So, until I hear something new, I'll see you guys next time.